I'm Manimegli Vijayarangan. I'm fine and I'm in the pink of health, and I'm sure even you all are in the pink of health too. நான் நல்ல ஆரோக்கியமா சந்தோஷமா இருக்கேன். நீங்களும் எல்லாரும் நல்ல ஆரோக்கியமா சந்தோஷம்.
In this video, we are going to see how to change an interrogative sentence in present continuous tense form from active to passive. இப்போ present continuous tenseல ஒரு ordinary statement சொல்கிறேன். The farmer is plowing his field. Is plowing. உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் இது present continuous. இதே ஒரு interrogative, அதாவது question formல இருக்கணும்னா என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? அந்த is கொண்டு ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல போடுங்க. Just shift the verb to the first place. That is the farmer plowing his field? Now it becomes a question, isn't it? So இது மாதிரி questions எப்படி active to passive மாத்துறதுன்னு பார்க்க போகிறோம் இந்த வீடியோவில். Is the farmer plowing his field? இது active voice. இதை passive-ஆக மாற்றும் போது you see the object. எது இதில் object? His field. லாஸ்ட்டில் வருது அது. ஸோ அதை ஷிஃப்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். Is the field, ஏன்னா field வந்து singular, so we are using is. Is the field being plowed by the farmer? ஸோ question ஃபார்மில் இருக்கும்போது active voice, passive ஃபார்மாக மாற்றும் போதும் நீங்கள் question mark போடணும். Next, is the farmer plowing his fields? இங்கே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா his fields, the object is in plural. So when you are changing, instead of is, we should use are. Are the fields being plowed by the farmer? Then question mark. Next, we'll see past continuous. Was the farmer plowing his field? How will you change it? Was the field being plowed by the farmer? Okay. And next, was the farmer plowing his fields? Were the fields being plowed by the farmer? இப்போ நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து am வச்சு ஒரு சென்டென்ஸ் சொல்கிறேன். ஃபஸ்ட் ஐ வில் டெல் த ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட். I am working out the sums correctly. இது வந்து ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட். இப்போ இதே கொஸ்டின் ஃபார்மில் எப்படி எழுதுவீங்க? am I, am வந்து ஷிஃப்ட் பண்ணுங்கள் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பிளேஸ்க்கு. verb, you shift the verb am to the first place, it will become a question. Am I working out the sum correctly? So this is present continuous. How will you change it? Are the sums, because sums வந்து plural, so are the sums being worked out correctly by me? So question formsல present continuous tenseல கொடுக்கப்பட்ட சென்டென்ஸ்லாம் எப்படி active to passive மாற்றணும்னு தெரிஞ்சிருக்கோம் உங்களுக்கு. இப்போ now I'll give a small test. Is Rita watering the plants in the garden? Next, are the boys playing football? Am I adding correct amount of salt to the dish? Were your friends cleaning the playground? Was your aunt investigating the kidnap case? Now let us discuss the answers. First one, is Rita watering the plants in the garden? So plants, they are plural, so are the plants being watered by Rita? Are the plants in the garden being watered by Rita? Next, are the boys playing football? Here football is singular, so is football being played by the boys? Next, am I adding correct amount of salt to the dish? Is correct amount of salt being added to the dish by me? Were your friends cleaning the playground? Was the playground being cleaned by your friends? Was your aunt investigating the kidnap case? Was the kidnap case being investigated by your aunt? So in the next video, I'll be dealing with present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect tense. That is interrogative sentences in these forms. So get ready for that.